Today's topic comparing decimals. Then before we go in this topic comparing decimal, first we should understand what is like decimal and unlike decimal. Like decimals, then unlike decimals. What is unlike decimals? Decimal number having same number of decimal places are known as like decimals. For example, 2 decimal 0 3. Then 5 decimal 0 6. Then 3 decimal 0 1. Look, these decimals are known as like decimals because decimal after how many digits count? 1 2. Here also 1 2 means how 1 2 means decimal after same number of decimal place. These decimal numbers are known as like decimal. Then unlike decimal, look 1. These are now look, these are unlike decimals because decimal after how many digits? Here 3 and this 2 and this 1. Decimal after how many number of decimal here? This first number 3 and 2 1. These are different number of decimal places. So these decimals are known as unlike decimal. Is it clear? This unlike decimal we can convert into like decimal. How? Look, this how decimal after how many digits? 3 digits. So here look, decimal after 2 digits. So this 6 after this last digits look, decimal place look, then after we write 1 or 0. Now you look how many digits? 3 digits. Then this 3.2 how many digits? 1 digit. So this 10th this place after we put right side we write how many 0? 2 0. Then now look 3 digits. Then how number of how many decimal place? 3 decimal place. Then when we put right side of 0, when we put 0 at the right side of this decimal number, its value is not change. Its value is same value, not change. Is it clear? Then this, then like unlike decimal we can convert into like decimal. How? We put 0 at the right side, then its value is not change. Then now we can compare decimal. Here 2 decimal numbers are given. Look, 1 or 0 decimal 9 9. So which one is greater? Which one is biggest here? First this look, this 2 decimals are decimal numbers are like or unlike decimal. These are unlike decimal. This one after decimal place note. So we can write 1 after 1 point. Then which number we write? 0. How many decimal places here? 2 decimal. So we write 2 0. Then or 0 9 9. Then now you look, these are which this unlike decimal. First we convert into like decimal. Then we can write its expanded form. Look, 1 decimal 0 0 is equal to, we can write 1 plus what is the place of this 0? 0 10th place plus 0 by which place? 100 place. Is it clear? First you write first numbers expanded form. Then and or 0 decimal 9 9. is equal to, we can write 0 plus place value of 9 decimal 9, 9 by 10 plus 9 by 100. Is it clear? First we write its which expanded form. Then next we look its with whole number place. Here look whole number place, which is whole number place. Here whole number place, first number 1 and the second number look 0. First we compare whole number part of the decimal number. Here look whole number part of this number, look this 1 and 0. So which place is which number is greater? Here look this 1 is 0 and 1, which is greater? 1 is greater. So we can say 1 is the greatest number. Is it clear? 1 is the greatest number. So we can write the whole part of 1 is greater than that of 0, 9, 9. Then we can write it, therefore Therefore, 1 is greater than 0 decimal 9, 9. Is clear? First we convert unlike decimal, convert into like decimals. Then write its expanded form. Then we first we look its whole number part. Here whole number part 1 and first number is 1 and second number is 0. So we know 1 is the greater number compared to 0. So therefore the whole part of 1 is greater than that of 0.99. Then therefore 1 greater than 0.99. Is it clear? The next second question look. Second question, this first number 1 decimal 0.9 or 1 decimal 0.93. This 2 decimal which is greater. Then what this which type of decimal? This unlike decimal, so we can convert into like decimal. So 109 is equal to, we can write 1 decimal 090 here, because here decimal after 3 digits, here 2 digits. So we write put 1 or 0, or 1 decimal 093. Then this we can write its expanded form. Then 1 decimal 090. When we put 0 here, its value is not changed. Then is equal to whole number part which number? 1. So 1 plus 10th place look which number? 0 by 10 plus 100 place 9 by 100. Then this which place? 1000 place, then 0 by 1000. Is it clear? Then we write its expanded form. The next second number, or 1 decimal 093. Then is equal to whole number place 1 plus 0 by 10 plus 9 by 100 plus 3 by 1000. Is it clear? Then we compare which place. First we look its whole number part. Whole number part which number look? First number whole number part is 1. Then second number is whole number part also 1. Here whole number part are same. It's clear? First number 1, second number also 1. Then we look its whole number part. After we look its 10th place. Then look 10th place. Here 10th place 0 and here also 0. So then this 10th place also same. It's clear? 10th place 0. First number is 10th place 0. Second number is 10th place also 0. So then next we look which place? 100th place. 100th place look. This 100th place. Look 100th place. This 10th place. Here 10th place same. Then next we look it's 100th place. Here also 100th place look same number 9. Here also 9. So 100th place also same. Then next we look it's 1000th place. Then 1000th place look which is which number is 1000th place? First number is 1000th place 0 and second place 1000th place which number? 3. Here 0 and 3. Look. Then we compare the 100th place. 0 and 3 which is big? 0 and 3 which number is big? 3 is big. So which decimal is bigger? This is second. 1 decimal 093 is bigger than 1 decimal 090. Is it clear? Then we can write it. In this case, how same part up to hundreds. Here up to hundreds all the numbers are same. But which place are different? 1000 place. But 1000 part of 1093 is greater than that of which number greater than that of 1 decimal 090. Then we can write therefore 1 is smaller or which is greater? Is greater than 109. Is it clear? The next exercise, take exercise 8.3. It's the first question. Look. First question, which is greater 8.3 exercise. Then 0.3 or 0.4. Look, this is which type of decimal? Like decimal. So 0.3 is equal to, we can write 0 plus 3 by 10th, or 0.4 is equal to 0 plus 4 by 10th. Then look, it's whole number place, both number have same number 0 and 0. Then next we look which place? 10th place. Then 10th place look here 3 and this 4. So 10th place numbers. Compare the 10th place. Once look whole number place numbers same. Then we look 10th place numbers. 10th place numbers. First numbers 10th place 3 and second numbers 10th place which number 4. Then compare this 3 and 4 which is big. 4 is big. Then so which number is greater? 0.4 is greater. Is it clear? Then in this case both whole number part is same, but which place? 10th part of 0.4 is greater than that of 0.3. Then therefore 0.4 bigger than 0.3. Is it clear how to compare this decimals? First we look its whole number place, then whole number place are same, then we look 10th place, then 10th place also same, then 100 place, then 100 place same, we look which place? 1000 place, and we can compare the numbers and find out greatest decimal number. Is it clear? Then this exercise 8.3 you can do yourself and write your fair copy. Okay, thank you.